the channel. Everyone's having a fantastic day today. So today we're getting ready to do my least favorite part of my job, but one of the things that pays me the most, and that is go to the landfill. And of course, the weather couldn't be any worse to do this in. But we got the truck just chilling as always. And you guys probably noticed when I turned the camera around, the Equinox isn't here. I'm standing right where it would be parked, where the Mustang is. And that's because my goofball of a dad forgot to turn off his subwoofer and killed the battery. The heck was that? Anyway, so yeah, forgot to turn the sub off and the battery died. The jump box was dead. He needed to get to work this morning, so he just nabbed the Equinox and went off on his daily routine. So I've got 3 bags in here, got 4 bags in here to take out and put in the truck. I got some cardboard in the house to take out from the Christmas party. And then from there, we're gonna go over to the dump, drop everything off. And then I gotta go pick up some prescriptions for my mom, and then I think we're gonna stop over at AutoZone and try to see if we can find anything with that gift card. I know I've got to get an oil change stuff for this truck because it is a little bit past where I'd like to change it. It's not black or gunk or anything. I just want to go ahead. I've been trying to change it at a lower interval, kind of save this motor as much as I can, take as much care as I can of it until I can get the new motor in which case I'll be making a switch to full synthetic. But that's kind of that with this truck. We're going to do some stuff today with that. I'm trying to decide where I want to use it, because you guys know how I talked about it at the end of the last video. I had $65 given to me from the Christmas party, 40 of which is just, you know, I can use wherever, and 25 with AutoZone. So I'm still indecisive when I'll use the 40 for if I want to go and get a game, because I haven't got a new video game in about a little over a month now. And I'd like to get something new and have something new to play. Or you know, I can just go and use it at a parts store, go add it to my debit account or something like that, go to the bank, and, you know, put that on there so I can go ahead and use that wherever I want to, but on a card. But that's kind of the situation as it stands. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing loaded up in there, and we're going to go about our day and have a fun day. All right, prescriptions have been acquired, dump load's been done. It's time to go see what we can find in AutoZone. I got a couple things in mind. Obviously, I'm gonna get my oil change stuff, and then we're gonna get probably just a neat little thing out of the truck just for safety, and just something I really wanted to do for a while with this thing. So let's go on in and see if we can find it. All right, guys, so now we're in the garage. The truck's in here now as well because it's raining out, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. But first off, really annoying because you guys have probably been watching. I literally just bought these about 4 months ago. And you guys can see my carbon fiber bucket seats in here. They're obviously not real carbon. I paid about $600 for this setup, $700, somewhere in that ballpark for this chair, the seat setup in here. And, well, so I can turn on one of the dome lights in here. Oh, nice. There we go. As you can see, this bolster's flat out broken. So that's great. Now I got to take the seat apart to fix that. Or what I might do is to save time, I might just swap out with that seat because that passenger seat is fairly unworn in at all. And the bolsters are still fun on that. So I might just take that one off that bracket, take this one off that bracket, and switch them because this bolster will be right up against the center console. So it isn't going to make that much of a difference. And that one's pretty much a new, barely used seat compared to this one at least. So obviously I'll be uncomfortable for the while because that one's not broken in. This one is broken in, so it'll be fairly comfortable for the occupants, which is usually Hayden. Yeah, that's really, really annoying. So hopefully we can deal with that. But the reason why I'm in here is, as you can tell, I've dried off my mirrors. And that is because I got something that I've been wanting to do for a while now with this thing. People usually think this is an ugly thing to do. I find it one for safety and modernization. So you guys can see my oil change stuff here, 530. My high flow K&N performance oil filter, which is still $20 on its own. But down here at the bottom, we've got some blind spot mirrors. So I've been wanting to get some of these for a while. My dad's Mustang comes from the factory with these, which I can actually show you guys since the car's here. As you guys can hopefully see fairly well, it has those little blind spot mirrors from the factory. I want to add the same thing to this. So we've got these guys right here. My brother's car's serpentine belt's going out. So anyway, as I was saying, I'm actually gonna turn the lights on in here. Oh, that's what we're doing. All right, so now we're gonna get to put these on quickly. I got the mirror dry, so I'm gonna come in here to the inside of the truck with this broken $200-something by itself seat. I've already got this one open so I could see if there were any instructions I needed. So let's see how we want to put this on first. So I was thinking something along like right here. It seems to fit all right here. So this may be the spot I wind up going with. I've seen some people do it like this, which would be kind of similar to how the Mustang is if this mirror didn't have such an aggressive curve, which is why I'm thinking right here is going to be the best bet. We could also do that, and of course it wouldn't look right. So I think this is going to be how we do it right here. So go ahead and undo the adhesive on the back, or get the adhesive going, I guess you could say. Take the little sticker off. So these are wonderful. That's just great. At least the mirrors get scratched. All right, I'm gonna clean this off and cut this back on. All right, so we got this one on. I'll get in at the end of the video and kind of like see how everything looks. But like I said, I'm gonna have to leave the truck here for a couple hours probably to let that adhesive adhere since it's raining out. So got the mirror set up how I'd want it to, sitting in the corner. So instead of it being like how it is in the Mustang due to the way the mirror's shaped, I put it down low, mainly because I do tend to look kind of towards the lower end of the mirror. So I feel like right here is a good spot. So go and grab the other one, and hopefully don't drop this other one like I did that one. And we'll get on the other side of the truck and go ahead and install this one as well. So I know they're kind of bulky, and I guess some people say they look really ugly, but like I said, this is for safety because I am going to be driving a lot more of multi-lane highways this year, so, or in 2020, I should say. So obviously, I want to be able to do it safely without possibly getting hurt or worse. So doing this one-handed sucks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the camera right here on the bolster, this one, the one that's not broken. And we're going to go ahead and undo packaging on this one as well. About dropped this one too. All right, same process, adhesive off. And I'm going to bring you guys out here with me. And shut the door. Okay, so now we're back out here. So how did I have that one aligned? I want to say I did it this way. So I'm going to go look over here again and see exactly how I have this one lined up so I can know how to line up the other one. Okay, so the flat was at the top and the curve went out kind of like that. Okay, so I need to do it this way. You just turn it 90 degrees. Okay, go ahead and put it right. A little too far over. There we go, perfect. Try not to get my fingerprints on it, so there we go. We got it basically kind of set, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off so I can press everything down, and we'll hop in, see how everything looks from the inside. All right, so we're inside the truck now. I've got the window down due to, well, everything being wet. So if you guys look here in the normal mirror, you guys can see pretty much everything off to the side, really. You don't really get to see what's in this general area right here. So it would be push my blind spot. So this mirror, now as you guys can see, provides a wide angle, and I can see the front fender of the Mustang. So in the same story on this mirror over here, which you guys can't see too well due to the reflections and the fact that it's soaking wet, you guys can see my lawnmower, which is off to, well, back there in that corner. So you guys can see now these things really do the job right. So it's why I wanted them. I know they're very, very bulky and kind of stick out, like protrude. They don't fit flush like the Mustangs does, but it does help out with safety a lot, which is something I take a little bit seriously when I'm doing these multi-lane highway trips and stuff like that. It is definitely something, if your car doesn't have these blind spot mirrors as standard, I highly recommend you get some for your car because it's going to help you out and it's going to keep you from merging into people by accident. unless you're one of those idiots that doesn't look at the mirrors when they change lanes. So yeah, that's kind of that. So I feel like they're very, very useful, and I feel like that they're going to save some lives. So that's why I feel like blind spot mirrors are very important. Older cars usually don't come with them. GM doesn't come with them. I don't know for sure. I can't confirm. Don't take my word on that. The Mopars don't include them. But I know some, if not all, the modern Fords come with them as standard. So yeah, it's definitely something to invest in though if your car doesn't come with them. It's a very niche thing that cars don't come with, but I do feel like it's very important. So yeah, that's kind of that. So, yeah, I don't really know where this video is going to go from here. I'm going to go and upload, well, today's video when I'm filming this Monday because my MacBook was giving me issues. And then I'll pick up the vlog whenever. So, see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to wrap this video up for the day. Hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more content coming soon. I know this video wasn't very mod intensive, but I thought I'd do something different since I had, you know, some extra cash, and it's something that I really wanted to do for safety purposes and stuff like that. I know some people are going to think it's bulky and ugly, but I feel like it's something that all cars should have is a blind spot mirror. So, anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more content coming soon. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Maybe even on Christmas, because I do a monthly, like a little like Christmas haul video every year, but I may actually put that on RT2 this year, who knows. But anyway guys, I'll see you guys again next time.